Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you the correct way to activate your GiffGaff eSIM using the latest setup process. So unlike many mobile carriers, GiffGaff doesn't use a QR code in order to activate its eSIM. Instead, you need to simply just start by downloading and installing the GiffGaff application on your phone. Now, when you are inside it, you just have to simply select the option of eSIM. Then you just have to simply choose your plan. After choosing your plan, when you make the payment, you are going to right away see the option of install an eSIM. So you just have to tap on the option of install eSIM and wait for some time until it is installing and downloading on your device automatically. When it is done, you will be shown that it is all done. Then you just have to close the app and you are all set. But if you are a new customer, you just have to simply just follow these instructions. But if you are already using GiffGaff and you want to switch your physical SIM, then you just have to simply use another methods, in which you just have to go to the account settings and you just have to select the option of SIM. After selecting the option of SIM, you are going to see a bunch of different options like reporting, replacing my eSIM and switching to an eSIM. So you just have to select the option of switching to a new eSIM. Then again, simply follow further on-screen instructions in order to basically replace the SIM to an eSIM. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.